And welcome to the TLCC YouTube channel. I'm going to take a few minutes to take you through how to find the channel, how to navigate around in the channel, and how to find and view videos. Let's start with how to find the channel. Up at the top here, you'll see youtube.com/c/TLCC Australia. That is the URL which will bring you directly to the home page of the TLCC YouTube channel. And up at the top, you'll see here, home. This is the home page of the channel. You have a tab that says videos, followed by playlists, channels, discussion, about, and a little magnifying glass for searching. The home page here, we have built this channel with the home page showing you various playlists. We decided that the TLCC member trips playlist should show up first. So that is why you're seeing this particular playlist here first. Second playlist is the 50th anniversary celebration, which is here. Now, having a look at this playlist, you'll see there are multiple videos in this playlist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you click the little arrow button on the right there, it'll show you extra videos that are falling off the side of the screen. Same with this one. Here we've got our 5 videos. And if you press the little arrow button, it'll load the other ones that are in the playlist. And so on and so forth, scrolling down. If you want to see the playlist, obviously press playlist. It's a playlist page. Click there and it'll take you to a different type of view where you can see all the playlists that have been created for this channel. In this case, we've created 5 playlists so far. We might create more in the future. Just depends on what content we get. Let's have a look at the 50th anniversary playlist. This one here. If you click on the 50th anniversary celebration playlist, click here. It'll load it up in a different screen. And the first video will start playing automatically. I'll just pause that video. To the right here is the list of all the videos that are in that playlist. So as you scroll down or up, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go on, so on and so forth. Up at the top here, this is the highlights, little 3.5-minute video that we've done. Below that, you will see all the videos that were played on the big screen during the 50th anniversary. The little 3 words message from the members, the slideshows, everything that was played on that big screen during the night is in there. And at the bottom here, we have 3 videos, which are the formalities, part 1, 2, and 3. These are all the speeches. They're a bit longer, these videos, 25 minutes for this one, 47 minutes for this one, and 30 minutes for that one. We recorded all the speeches so you can go in and watch them again if you want to. Just note that this last one here has been blocked in Australia because there was some commercial music played on the night during the recording, and YouTube decided to block it because we did not have the rights to play that music back out. We're trying to unblock it. So stay tuned, we might be able to get that video back up for you. So that is a playlist view here with the video viewer and the list of all the videos down here. Now down here, you'll see here, there's a whole bunch of other videos. These are unrelated to the TLCC YouTube channel. These are other videos done by other people that YouTube has decided they wanted to show you up here. They could be other videos that from other channels that you've subscribed to, but they are not ones that we have made, not part of the TLCC Australia YouTube channel. To go back to the homepage of the TLCC YouTube channel, you're going to click here. But before I do that, I want you to pay attention. We're watching a playlist right now, and this video here is loaded and playing. If I click to go back to the homepage, you'll notice that the video is still playing down here, the bottom right. I'll just pause it. So what it's done is YouTube, because you're watching a playlist, you can navigate away from that page and you can come back to another page on YouTube and it will still continue to play that playlist for you down in a little inset video player down here. So you can see it there playing. If you click on that little arrow there, it will open up, and again, a different view, still inset. I'll just pause that. You can select any of the videos from that playlist to play in that little inset. If you want it to go full screen again, click the full screen to expand it, or on the right here, click the X to close it down, which is what I've just done. So we're back at the homepage of the YouTube channel. Here, are videos. If you click on the videos tab, it will show you all the videos that have been uploaded to the YouTube channel. You can sort them differently by most popular, date added oldest, or date added newest. In this case, it is sorted by the newest first. If we can have a look at what's the most popular one, if I click this, it'll order them with the most popular first. This one here, the day 2 of the Willow Glen Challenge, 2,600 views uploaded 3 years ago. That was a fairly popular one, and then it goes decreasing in popularity down as you go. So I'll sort it back with newest first. There, if you want to watch one of these videos, just find it and click it. Click that one, and it'll open up in that video viewer page that we are now fairly familiar with. And the video should automatically start playing. I'll pause that. Now on the side here, now you see a whole bunch of other videos. Again, these ones are videos from other subscriptions that I have on my video channel, or other videos that YouTube think that you may be interested in. So these are not part of the YouTube channel of the TLCC Australia. Let's go back to TLCC Australia's homepage by clicking this little icon and the logo here. Right. Now we're back at the homepage. So we've had a look at the homepage, we've had a look at videos, we've had a look at playlists. These are different playlists that we've created for you, and you can go and have a look at them. Channels here, I wouldn't worry about them. This, if we have decided to feature other channels, we would do this here. Discussion is a chat. There is currently no chat here. About, it's just a little bit of information about the TLCC Australia's YouTube channel, when we joined, how many views we've had across all our videos. And here is the little magnifying glass. I just want to spend a minute on this. If you click it, it'll ask you to search. So if we wanted to look for all the videos which have the words, the numbers and letters 50th in them, if I hit enter, it'll show me all the videos which have the word 50th in them. So here are all the 50th videos. If I again wanted to look at Willow Glen, there, hit enter, it'll show me all the ones that have the word Willow Glen in them. All right, so that's quite a nifty way of, see here we've got a video of Gary volunteer. If we were looking for that particular video in here, we would write Gary, hit enter, and it would find the videos. So in this case, a video with Gary and the playlist which has that video in it. So that's a basic overview of the YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, you click the subscribed button, which is here. I am already subscribed, which is why it's gray. And if you want to be notified every time a video is uploaded to this channel, click the little bell and select all. And that means that you will receive a little notification on your YouTube channel or on your YouTube area whenever a video has been uploaded. I hope this has been helpful. Again, if you've got any questions, you can always reach out to anyone on your committee. Ask the editor of the magazine, or Andrew from promotions, or myself, Richard, and we can point you in the right direction. You can get us to upload your videos to our YouTube channel if you wish to. Again, reach out to us. We will send you some links so you can supply that video to us so that we can upload it to this channel and then publish it. Thank you again for listening. I hope this has been helpful for you.